Peter had promised he would never leave Jesus. But before the night was over, he would deny even knowing him. Peter was one of Jesus' closest disciples. He had walked with him, seen miracles, and heard his teaching. He believed he was ready to stand beside Jesus, no matter what happened. But Jesus knew something Peter didn't. Fear would test him. When Jesus was arrested, Peter followed from a distance and entered the courtyard of the high priest. Then someone recognized him. "You also are one of this man's disciples," Peter denied it. A little later, another person confronted him. Again, Peter said he was not one of Jesus' followers. Then came the third time. Someone recognized Peter by his connection to Jesus. And Peter denied it again. 3 denials, 3 moments when fear became stronger than courage. Then a rooster crowed, and suddenly, Peter remembered the words Jesus had spoken. He realized what he had done, and he went away broken, weeping bitterly. Jesus was crucified. Peter watched his master die. And for a moment, it must have seemed like the story was over. But Jesus rose from the dead. And later, by the Sea of Galilee, Peter was fishing with the other disciples. Then they saw Jesus standing on the shore. Jesus had not forgotten Peter. He had not thrown him away. Instead, Jesus asked him 3 times, "Do you love me?" 3 questions, 3 opportunities to face what had happened. And Jesus gave Peter something he probably never expected: a mission. "Feed my sheep!" Peter had denied Jesus 3 times. Yet Jesus restored him and entrusted him with responsibility among his people. The man who once trembled in a courtyard would later stand boldly and proclaim Christ. Peter's failure was real, but it was not the end of his story. And maybe that's what you need to remember today. Your worst failure may be part of your story, but it does not have to be the final chapter. Jesus did not pretend Peter had never failed. He restored him after he failed. Because grace does not mean your failure never happened. Grace means your failure does not have the final word. So if you've fallen, don't run away from Jesus. Run back to him. Peter denied him 3 times, but Jesus still gave Peter another chance. What do you need Jesus to restore in your life today?